Hola!
Malolele, it's Seal
And Leah
from Loopy Tunes. Welcome to Music Time with us, Loopy Tunes.
where we get to sing and dance and learn together.
Now we have 3 clues right here beside us that are going to help us figure out what song we're going to sing today.
Can you help us out with the clues? Awesome, thank you.
Alright, let's start at the top. Clue tuatahi, our first clue. Do you know what this is? Ai ka pai, it's an arrow and it's pointing to the left. Maui.
Clue tuarua, right here. Do you know what it is? That's right, it's an arrow pointing to the right. Mātou.
Here's our last clue, clue tuatoru, sitting right beside us. Do you know what these are? Ai ka pai, they are bells. Ngā pere. We have all 3 clues. We have an arrow pointing to the left, ki maui. We have an arrow pointing to the right, ki matau. And we have some bells, ngā pere.
Oh, I know what we're going to sing today. We're going to sing our waiata wee jingle.
That's right. It's a fun wee action song where you get to use your bells and we're going to jingle them up high, down low, to the left and to the right. So listen out for those 2 directions and for our bells, and we're going to do it again in our Hokinga Mahara.
Alright, shall we sing along together on the count of toru? Ready? Tahi, rua, toru.
We jingle those bells. Oh yeah, you know we jingle those bells. Oh yeah, jingle up high to the sky, jingle down low to your toes. We jingle to the left and we jingle to the right, and we jingle them out of sight. 1, 2, 3, yippee! We jingle those bells. Oh yeah, you know we jingle those bells. Oh yeah, we jingle them fast, so fast. We jingle them slow, oh so slow. We jingle to the left and we jingle to the right, and we jingle them out of sight. 1, 2, 3, yippee! We jingle those bells. Oh yeah, you know we jingle those bells. Oh yeah, we jingle those bells and then we stop. Then we jingle them again and then we stop. We jingle to the left and we jingle to the right, then we jingle them out of sight. 1, 2, 3, yippee! We jingle those bells. Oh yeah, you know we jingle those bells. Oh yeah.
That was so much fun. I loved all those different actions we did.
Did you have fun at jingling the bells around? Awesome.
Alright, he wā Hokinga Mahara. It's time to remember those 3 words that we learned at the beginning. Here's the first one. Starts with the sound le, left, maui.
The second one starts with the sound r, right, mātou.
And our last one starts with the sound b, bear, bells. Ngā pere. Well done. Hey, we hope you really enjoyed doing our wee action song with the jingling bells at home. Let's go sing our goodbye song together.
Goodbye everybody, it's time to go. Goodbye everybody, we'll miss you so. Ka kite ano, we'll see you soon.
Make sure to like and subscribe down below so that you can watch more of Nice's videos.